Hey, do you have plans after this or no?
I was just hanging out with them.
Okay, so I was wondering if we can go look at a house in Fountain Valley. Seller's asking $700,000. I already ran the comps. They're like, I think they were 8 to 850.
Isn't that pretty close?
It is pretty close, but I was talking to the guy. It's not that big of a fixer. Like, he didn't mention any roofing issues, foundation issues, electric issues. The only kicker is I was checking all the accounts this morning, and we have so many properties going right now, we can't buy it cash. So if we buy this house, we're gonna have to get a hard money loan, and we'd have to get in and out super quick.
Okay.
Well, there she
Hey,
is.
she made it.
Right on time, as always. What's up?
The outside looks pretty solid. The bricks are pretty beat up.
Yep.
We could probably paint the bricks. And I saw a little bit of termite damage on the eaves. The house itself, 3-bedroom, 2 baths, 1638 square feet. And it's Fountain Valley, which means the market's super hot and buyers love this area. All right, let's go look at this thing. Oh, we got another stinky one.
Oh, man. No.
I like the entry, though. You walk in, you have a really big room. I mean, it's pretty
Not
nice,
really
actually.
seeing any
I wouldn't go
problems.
that far.
What do you mean that far? I'm saying it's pretty nice. I don't see rats and cockroaches and mold, and the house isn't falling over. It's looking pretty good to me.
Be nice if this could be opened up.
Flooring?
They
Yeah.
started to demo the floor.
Yeah, but why? Is there a leak or?
And why is it so dark?
Well, there's no lights. Look at the size of that yard. That is a huge selling point in Fountain Valley.
The shell. So many bugs. Oh
Or
my
bugs.
God.
They're just little gnats.
Oh,
They're
no,
fine.
no. This is a lot of bugs.
Just give it 1 second and take this in.
This tree is taking over the entire yard. Oh, there's so many
It
bugs.
does give you a lot of avocados.
Where are the avocados? I don't see
On the
any.
ground, rotting.
Oh my God. Oh, it's like a murder scene. What the heck happened in there? There's a whole bunch of stuff on the, it's like someone started remodels everywhere.
This would all have to be blown out, opened up, right, into one
Okay.
bathroom.
All right.
We're probably looking at about, what, 10,000?
Could be.
It has to be a quick flip. We're getting a hard money loan on this thing. So if it's a 9-month project, it's probably not gonna work. It has to be a fast project. This project right here isn't really a risky project, right?
Basic.
But it becomes risky because of the loan, because of the monthly payment. So if the payment on this house was $4,000 a month and it took 6 months to do it, that's $24,000 in interest. So we have to move as fast as possible.
So overall, I think you guys are gonna be in about 75 grand.
Huh.
That does not include any structural. Timeline-wise, 3 months.
Okay. What if we offered him 650?
I feel like that's the highest we can pay.
If we can get in and out quick, it makes sense to buy it, but I mean, it's not a home run. We're not gonna make $100,000 putting lipstick on a pig here. It has to be a good remodel.
Right.
We gotta get on the higher end of the comps.
Yeah, totally. All right, let's try 650.
After a little bit of back and forth, we finally got the house for $670,000, but the hard money loan is like $3,500 a month. Since time is money with this house, it is full steam ahead on demo.
Since we can't do the structural changes that we wanted to do in the kitchen, we're updating the materials throughout the house. I picked out some cement tiles for the kitchen and this really beautiful textured countertop. Hopefully these extras will help us get top dollar when it's time to sell. We have more of gray, or we can go a little wild and do a green. I vote for green.
Huh? It's too buyer specific. I mean, we gotta get in and out of this house fast. We don't have time to wait around looking for the right buyer, you know? Like, we need to move this thing.
Okay, well, let's do gray.
We'll do this one as the backsplash. We'll do this one as the kitchen floor.
And the rest of the house, we can do a laminate.
What do you think?
So go with the lighter one.
Yeah.
Pretty.
That's it.
Voila. All right, so this tree right here is the reason I called you out. Before I guess, get rid of the tree, I wanted to see if there are any other solutions. And I really like the tree. It is a spectacular tree.
It does have a lot of dead branches. The problem with the dead branches is that it attracts termites.
Okay.
So I was noticing, you see it has termites here?
Oh, wow, look at that. Well, that's not
Like
good. So is the tree healthy enough to keep?
Yes. It's just a matter of removing all the dead branches. That's gonna help keep the termites away from the tree and just taking off some weight.
Got it.
But the good thing about it is that you have another avocado from your neighbor that cross-pollinates. So that's why you're having some fruit on this tree.
From my neighbor? What do you mean my neighbor?
So avocado trees need other male trees to pollinate. So, yeah, so.
Interesting. So you're telling me that our avocado trees have a romantic relationship. Is
Yeah.
that what you're telling me? So what happens if the neighbor didn't have an avocado tree?
You would have a fruitless avocado.
Get out of here.
Yeah.
There's a love story happening at our house here. The male and female trees are and making avocados. The trees are getting down.
Wow, at least someone's getting some love in this house.
All right, well, we don't want to break up the relationship.
No.
We'll bring this thing back to life.
Okay.
Love this backsplash.
Every little change here is totally adding up, and it's like it's accumulated to weeks.
Yeah, I mean, we're way behind schedule. Like, the bathroom put us back, redoing the fireplace put us back. We just keep adding time. Beautiful. First impression.
I like the paint. The fence gone makes a huge difference. It felt very claustrophobic and dark before.
So, I'm gonna go over the numbers. We paid $670,000 for the house.
All right.
We put $100,000 into the remodel. That doesn't include the hard
Does
money.
it not?
Just construction.
What?
I mean, we spent $5,000 in the termite work alone. The hard money loan cost us $3,500 a month. We were trying to do the project in 3 months. We went 3 weeks over. We got to sell the house, find a buyer, go to escrow. We'll call it a month. So start to finish, 5 months. So that's another about $17,000 in costs. We're gonna have $35,000 in closing costs and commission, and we sell. So the break even, $822,000. Similar houses to this one are selling like $800 to $850.
Like, potentially we might not make any money.
Correct. Yeah, that's what it's starting to look like that. But I think we have to try to list higher.
Like, what are you thinking?
$899.
If we're in it for that much, then I guess might as well try.
Honestly, of all the houses we've ever flipped, I would say this is the top 3 of houses that I don't think are gonna sell for the asking price.
I agree.
All right, it's cute. It's come a long way. You walk in the door, it's actually inviting now. You notice the high ceilings. And the kitchen came out great.
I love the backsplash. I like the contrast. I like how it overlooks the rest of the house.
And my favorite part is this area right here, because the old fireplace was only this high. So now the entire wall is fireplace.
We have a full, really awesome avocado tree out there. This is actually a big selling feature.
Man, this is a horny tree. I told you, he's been mating with all the other trees in the neighborhood. It's even been sleeping with the orange tree.
Shut up.
They're making orangeados. For a 1,600 square foot house, this has got to be the biggest bedroom we've done.
It's really nice. It's pretty.
This is beautiful.
Actually, the bathroom is my favorite part of the house. I liked your idea too, to carry the flooring
Yeah,
behind the vanity. It looks really pretty. Guest bathroom looks great. I'm glad we went with the same look.
It's a cute bathroom.
Guest bedroom, nice size.
The good thing about the bedrooms, they're laid out pretty nice. They're not small. They have good sized closets.
Totally.
Now we just got to sell it. I don't see $900,000. That's my problem right now. If we don't sell it fast, we're going to get killed with the carrying costs. So I'm going to give it like a week, maybe 2. If we don't sell it, we got to reduce the price.
All right.
After only a few days on the market, we received a full price offer.